Good morning, YouTube. It's going to be a nice day today. Now it's overcast, but today it's going to be super hot. Today's the forecast saying that it's supposed to break 107 degrees here in the Portland area. Right now it's still early, and we're going to go to the Neathorst Bay to dig some gaper clam. We're going to go to the rocky beach and do it the hard way to dig through the rocks to get to those clams. And I'm going to be taking the boat over to do a little bit of boating too, crabbing, things like that. And on the way back, we're going to hit that record high temperature, 108 degrees. And we're going to see how the Tacoma do, handling that heat, towing the little small boat. Normal temperatures, like for the transmission, 183, 185. But we'll see if towing this boat will, get the temperature high enough for me to be concerned about. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I think the truck's gonna do just fine. But let's go take some clams, and we're gonna, do some towing and hit the road. Let's go. Gaper is kind of delicacy for a lot of Asian people. Kind of like I'm not sure if maybe it's a kind of acquired taste, so I'll find out tonight. Right here?
This right here.
This right there?
Yeah,
Right you see the siphon, right?
Yeah.
That's the siphon. Yep. Oh yeah.
This one's easy.
Easy one. Oh my god, it's so easy. That was like kind of like what I have back there, I mean, the siphon shouldn't be that long.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, nice.
Look at the meat. So that's how we do it. Next time, bigger tools, bigger shovels, and we'll get more. I think I've been driven about 60 some miles already on this tank. Coming back from Tillamook back to Vancouver, just north of Portland. Now the outside temperature is 104 degrees. I'm cruising at 60 miles per hour. I've been getting about 19.9 mpg, and the transmission fluid temperature right now is at 190. So right now the outside temperature is 108 degrees. I'm still cruising about 60 miles. I get up to about 20.1 mpg right now, and the transmission temperature is holding at 190. Yeah, it's a hot day today. It's a record temperature day. That's why I'm making these videos. Just showing you towing this boat, 800-pound boat. Not bad for the MPG I'm getting, and the transmission temperature is holding at 190 for a while now. Has not gone over 190 today. It's pretty good. Yep, 20 miles MPG towing the boat. So we're at 108 degrees. I'm at 19.8 mpg, and the transmission has gone up to 194 now. So it's cooked a little bit, but the water coolant temperature, the engine temperature is remaining at 190. Yeah, today is like that record hot day, so I'm almost home now. So I am getting really good gas mileage today because of all the slow traffics I have to follow behind, and that really helps with the trip home. 108. crazy. Okay, so we made it home. Right now, it's 5:53 p.m., almost 6 o'clock. And look at that temperature, 107 degrees. Like, we are breaking records all over the place today. It's insane. That's why I'm making this video. And 19.5 on my kind of instrument cluster, but on my scan gauge it says from the time that I started engine on my way back to home, about 98 miles, I got 19.7 miles per gallon. And for a little bit the transmission went up to 194, but now it's back down to 190, so it's still within good range. Water's jumped up to 197. It's been 190 most of the time, so it's insane. Wow, today is insane. Like, the heat, 108 degrees. It feels like Vegas in the summer right now. It's like, so Tacoma back there towing that boat, that whole thing back there, 800 pounds in tow. Not bad. I mean, with a lot of crop pots on it and coolers, maybe close to 850. So I got out this morning around 6 a.m. and the temperature was about 60 something already. And then I was driving about 65 miles most of the way for 98 miles to Neathart Bay on the Oregon coast. And because I was driving a little faster, so I was getting about 17.9, close to 18 mpg for that trip, for the trip over to the coast. But coming back, because a lot of slow traffic, I was stuck behind a lot of slow traffic, like going up the mountain range is like maybe 55 to 60. So I get a lot better mpg just going a little slower. The camper shell weighs about 250 pounds. So I have extra weights and then towing that boat. So I got, about 1,000 pounds, something like that. I mean, it's nothing, right, for the truck, but I just want to see, like today on a hot day like this, what the temperature, on the transmissions, things like that. It's gone up to 194, but then it comes back down to 190 most of the time. So it's not bad. Like, normally it runs about 183 to 185 without towing anything on a normal temperature day, but today it's like super hot and it did really well. I mean, it's towing a really light load, but this is most of the things that I'm towing. I don't have a trailer, I don't have a caravan, I don't have a trailer camper, or I don't have anything heavy or big boat. So this is what I'm going to be towing most of the time, and I'm really happy with the results. And also today, a big shout out to somebody I met. His name is Chu. If you're watching, hey Chu. He somehow recognized me from my channel, and he invited me to a salmon fishing trip. He apparently has a big boat that he's like, come with me sometime in the fall to go salmon fishing. So I am taking up the offer. So definitely, if I go on a salmon fishing trip, because I want to learn how to do it, I'll definitely make a video and have you guys follow along. So until then, peace out. Stay cool, man. Today's hot.